Welcome! Welcome everyone to the practical course dedicated to Perforce automation using Python. My name is Vyacheslav Makhenko. I'm a full-time technical artist working at Ubisoft for more than 6 years. During this time, I was involved in various AAA game development projects, including Watch Dogs 3, Far Cry 6, and, as of recording this course, my beloved project Beyond Good and Evil 2. Within this course, we will discover the way of streamlining production processes related to Perforce version control system with Python scripting. Perforce is an awesome solution. It brings crucial features related to healthy project development. It tracks the complete history of file changes made by users. It enables multiple people to work on the project simultaneously without overriding each other's work, provides backup and restore capabilities, and so much more. But it all comes with the complexity of the tool itself. And this complexity might be a serious pitfall for non-technical people. The goal of this course is to teach you how to automate common user Perforce operations, so your teammates still benefit from using this version control system, while enjoying the glorious single button click solutions provided by you. Let me quickly demonstrate one of the possible applications of skills you will acquire within this course. So imagine the scenario of a company that is using Perforce, and there is an art team producing some data in any of the digital content creator tools like 3ds Max, Blender, Maya, Substance Painter, Designer, Houdini, or anything else. The results of their work, the exported local changes, should be submitted to the global project depot, so they have to deal with P4V, which is a graphical user interface for Perforce. The steps to prepare the change list would be something like: first is to locate and launch the P4V client itself, then to specify the credentials, port, and workspace to connect to the server. Next step is to locate recently exported files on the local machine. At this moment, user already realizes this process is the challenge, and it's going on. Identified files should be checked out or marked for red. Maybe some files were outdated and required sync to latest revision, which would result in conflicts that have to be resolved. Moving marked files to a new change list, providing a meaningful description to this change list, and eventually submit. Wow, that's quite a number of manual actions to be performed actually. And now let's see how it would look like if we automate the Perforce part with Python for them. So upon export, all the created files are gathered in a dedicated change list already, proper description is generated, conflicts resolved, and everything is ready to be submitted right away. And we could even automate the submission process if we wish to do so, by the way. So yeah, this Perforce automation with Python is the perfect example of simple technical solutions that greatly streamline production processes. The course is mainly intended for technical artists and directors, pipeline architects, tool programmers, and automation or DevOps engineers. It is fully practical, literally straight to the point from the very first lecture. So yeah, don't treat it as yet another Python introduction course, okay? It is an actual direct application of Python power to bring something useful and meaningful with it. That being said, to consciously follow up the course content, the basics of Python is required, by which I mean list and dictionary data types, functions, and classes. And a bit more details about course content. The core course information is gathered in one single section, where we gradually cover all main Perforce actions executed with Python code, including connection, file checkout and mark for add, creating new change list and moving files between them, reverting files, shelving and unshelving, syncing, resolving conflicts, submitting files, even creating notification system to alert users about specific Perforce events like new submissions or exclusive checkouts happened, and integration of the Perforce automation to actual custom production tools. As a bonus, we will cover the way of using Designer application to create graphical user interfaces with PySite 6 module. Throughout the course, we will build this debug widget to trigger the execution of different Perforce commands, so yeah, another useful skill for tech people. Moreover, to apply the obtained knowledge on practice, for you no additional cost is required. The Perforce client can be installed with a local repository for free, and Python is free as well. With it, I invite you to check the next lecture, which quickly explains the idea of how course materials will be provided to you to actually maximize your involvement in the process and therefore the effectiveness of learning. Thank you and see you there.